Hello, my gardening friend. It is June 13th, and I thought I would bring you out to my garden and show you how my cucumbers are doing. I got a whole wall of cucumbers back here, so let's turn the camera around and see how they're growing. So you can see my peach tree and the fig tree are sort of crowding out my wall of cucumbers here. So I did already cut some back a little bit. Let's look and see what kind of cucumbers we got growing here. This first one is alpha beta pickling cucumber, and I've got about 3 plants here. They are the most in the shade, so I don't see any cucumbers on there yet. Okay, my second one is hybrid greenhouse cucumber, and I do see some starting to come on there. I have harvested a couple of the third ones here, which are the Munchers, and my grandson loves to eat those. Just like it says, munch them down. There's 3 that are ready to be picked right now. That might actually be, I'm not sure if that's a greenhouse one or it is a muncher. All right, moving on. The next one over here is China Jade. And this is the kind that gets pretty long. There's a little one. And here's one that's ready to pick. See, it's going from there down to there. So it's like, that one's probably about, what, 14 inches or so. So there's a whole bunch of other ones coming along. And we have already picked and eaten some of the other ones from here too. The last ones over here are probably still China Jade. And then here is a volunteer that came up from my compost that I'm pretty sure is a pumpkin. Look how big those leaves are. They're huge. And that vine is taking a trip through the garden. If you look over here, you can see one of the fruits starting to grow on there. So I'm pretty sure that's a pumpkin. So let me know how your cucumbers are doing. Leave me a link in the comments, and look at the end screen if you want to see how I used no transplant winter sowing to plant these cucumbers. All right, we'll see you again real soon.